In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Squarespace promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and search for Squarespace space discount code. Right here, you'll have to select this website, which is tomsguide.com. And as you can see right here, we have a list with promo codes that we can use. For example, if I want to enjoy a free ready-made template, all I have to do is just select this button with get discount right here, and this will redirect me to their website, and the discount will be applied automatically to my next purchase. So for this one, I don't need a promo code. We can also go to websiteplanet.com right here, and we have also other deals and promo codes that we can use. For example, uh, if you want to pay only 19% on your first purchase, all you have to do is select the usual code right here, and this is your discount code. So if you're going to use this one on the next purchase, you will pay only 90%, which means you'll get a 10% discount with this promo code. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.